Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I have my window cleaning setup here. It happens to be very similar to my rinseless wash process. I love these Huck towels. These are surgical Huck towels. You can get them by the bundle on Amazon. The rinseless bucket here, we're going to mix up a fresh one. I like my mist sprayer here. Comes out in a nice fine mist. It really preserves the product, keeps you from wasting it. You don't need to use a lot of this. It will be 1 ounce of Hydra from Phoenix E.O.D in 1 gallon of water. I have my mixing cup here. As soon as I find the 1 ounce marker, we will get going here. We have tried and tested many waterless or rinseless washes, and we will continue to use Hydra. We choose Hydra because it does exactly what it's supposed to do with the perfect balance without leaving behind a film or a protectant that will mask the characteristics of an existing protection layer, like PPF or a coating or a sealant, which many of the newer rinseless and waterless washes that have come out lately have in them. Hydra comes in a concentrate. Its dilution ratio is 1 ounce to 1 gallon of water. We have that mixed in there. 1 gallon of Hydra is $45, just under $45. We're going to dunk our spray bottle, our misting bottle, into the mix, the solution, and that comes out to 35 cents per spray bottle. It's hard to beat and very effective. I'm going to demonstrate in just a few short seconds. We will attack windows depending on the condition they're in 2 ways. When they're in a condition like this, with heavy salt from the roadways, or maybe bug splatter, or tree fallout of any kind, any heavy contaminant, mud, including mud, we will pre-treat it first, just like this, and treat it very similar to a rinseless wash. We're going to bring out the sponge that comes with the kit, if you choose the kit from Phoenix E.O.D, which would be Hydra, the bucket, and their proprietary sponge, and we'll use the sponge to break loose any remaining contaminant that is still bonded. Pre-treating it will start to break down and emulsify a lot of that and just have it running down the car, but not all of it. Just like any rinseless wash, you have to do a little bit of work, and we'll follow that up with our Huck surgery towels and buff to perfection. It really doesn't matter which way you choose to attack the glass with the mixture. They will come out utterly streakless, squeaky clean, spotless, and they feel very, very smooth like silk. Have a handful of the Huck towels within arm's reach. Just keep flipping them over and buff till they are completely dry. Crystal clear, streakless, and since they do not leave any type of protectant or residue behind, from here you can coat them or spray your favorite glass sealant and not have to worry about anything being between the bond of that protectant and the glass. Another reason we choose Hydra. When it comes to glass that is just lightly soiled, a little bit of dust, a little bit of dirt, Hydra does a great job, the mixture, taking care of very light water spots as well that would maybe give some other cleaners a hard time. And you just go about it the traditional way with the misting spray nozzle that I have here. A little bit goes a long way. I do want to show you the bottle where we start, and I'll show you the level we're at when we're done with this whole vehicle inside and out, and you'll see it hardly uses any product. Again, that bottle filled where it is comes to 35 cents of product. Absolutely perfect, just the way we want them, and ready to be coated or sealed, protected, whatever you normally do for glass. We did a window or two. The level is right here, almost where it turns into the neck of the bottle. The spray and the concoction is excellent for mirrors. Automobile mirrors, mirrors at home, glass windows at home. We're going to go to the inside of the vehicle as well. Before you head into the interior, you could take care of chrome and stainless steel as well. Let me go around the rest of the Blazer here and take care of the outside of the glass. When you're not dealing with streaking inside and out of the vehicle, you can get the job done quickly. It's no secret. I'm not the biggest fan of windows. I haven't been since the inception of the channel, and this makes my job easy, and I can get on to doing other things that I actually like doing. Time for the inside of the windows, and owners of vehicles that smoke, smoke damage, just human beings being themselves inside of their automobiles. This mix makes quick work of whatever you come up against. Some of the nastiest stuff you would ever want to imagine gets sprayed onto the windshields and the front of the vehicle, and this will make quick work of that area so you can get in and out in a timely manner. Infotainment centers of any size or shape. Fingerprints, spills, smudges, the mixture will take care of it quickly and safely. Same thing for mirrors and any type of screen in the back of the headrest of some of your luxury SUVs and automobiles. Some of the newer vehicles have fold down screens, viewing screens, and infotainment screens for the back of the vehicle. It would be perfect there in that situation as well. Hydra happens to be shop manager approved as well. Let's finish up completely. We'll see how much of the product we have left. The whole vehicle inside and out, everything I could think of, and it barely went down a quarter of an inch. Very economical, very effective, and I highly recommend. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.